आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question is, evaluate the following definite integrals as limit of sums, where limit goes from 1 to 4 and the function is x square minus x into dx. Okay. Now when we have to integrate as limit of sum, we know that limit goes from a to b f of x dx. This is equals to b minus a into 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h, and it goes up to plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, where h is b minus a divided by n. Now the given function is limit 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. So from here we can say that our a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4. So we can write our h is equals to b minus a, 4 minus 1 by n. So this is equals to 3 by n. Okay. So our h is equals to 3 divided by n. Now given is f of x is equals to x square minus x. So from here f of 1 is equals to 1 square minus 1, which is equals to 0. Now f of 1 plus h, this is equals to 1 plus h square minus of 1 plus h. Okay. Similarly we go on for the next values. So we can write our integration 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. This is equals to 3 by n, limit n tends to infinity f of 1 plus f of 1 plus h plus f of 1 plus 2h plus up to f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Okay, bracket closed. So this is equals to 3 by n, limit n tends to infinity f of 1, which is 0, plus f of 1 plus h, which is 1 plus h square minus of 1 plus h, plus f of 1 plus 2h, which is 1 plus 2h square minus of 1 plus 2h, plus it goes up to f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h, which is 1 plus n minus 1 into h whole square minus of 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Okay. So we can write this is equals to 3 by n, limit n tends to infinity. Now 0 plus 1 plus h whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we use that identity here. So we can write 1 plus h square plus 2h minus 1 minus h plus 1 plus 4h square plus 4h. Now when we open the bracket, this is minus 1 minus 2h. Similarly it goes up to 1 plus n minus 1 square into h square plus 2 into n minus 1 into h minus of 1 minus of n minus 1 into h when we open the brackets. Now if we see here, all 1 cancel each other, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. So we left with this is equals to 3 by n, limit n tends to infinity, bracket of h square plus 2h minus h plus 4h square plus 4h minus 2h, plus it goes up to n minus 1 square h square plus 2n minus 1 into h minus n minus 1 into h. Okay. Now first we club the h square terms. So this is equals to 3 by n, limit n tends to infinity h square plus 4h square plus 9h square. Okay, plus it goes up to n minus 1 square h square. Okay, now this is in one bracket. Now plus of, now 2h minus h becomes h. Similarly 4h minus 2h becomes 2h plus 3h, and it goes up to 2 into n minus 1 into h minus of n minus 1 into h become n minus 1 into h. Okay, now we take h square common from first terms, so 3 by n limit n tends to infinity bracket of, here we take h square common, so this becomes 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus it goes up to n minus 1 square. Okay, now plus here we take h common, so this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus it goes up to n minus 1. Okay, bracket closed. Now this can also be written as 3 by n limit n tends to infinity h square into 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square, it goes up to plus n minus 1 square. Okay, plus here we take h common, so this becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus it goes up to n minus 1. Okay, now we know a formula that summation of n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, and summation of n, this is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. But in the above expression we have in place of n minus 1, so we replace n with n minus 1, so this becomes summation of n minus 1 square, this is equals to n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 into 2 into n minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 6. So this is equals to n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 divided by 6. Similarly, we can write summation of n minus 1, this is equals to n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, this is equals to n minus 1 into n divided by 2. So if we see this expression, this is summation of n minus 1 square and this is summation of n minus 1. So we can write this is equals to 3 by n limit n tends to infinity bracket of h square, now summation of n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 divided by 6 plus h, now summation of n minus 1, so n minus 1 into n divided by 2. Now we know that our h is equals to 3 by n. Okay, so we put value of h here, so this is equals to 3 divided by n limit n tends to infinity, now bracket of h square, so this becomes 3 by n square into n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 divided by 6 plus h, so 3 by n into n minus 1 into n divided by 2, bracket closed. Now this is equals to 3 by n limit n tends to infinity, now bracket of this becomes 9 into n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 whole divided by 6n square plus 3 into n minus 1 into n divided by 2. Now we take this n inside the bracket, so this is equals to 3 limit n tends to infinity 9 into n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 divided by 6n cube plus 3 into n minus 1 into n divided by 2n square. Here if we see and n cancel each other, here also and n cancel each other, so this is equals to 3 limit n tends to infinity 9 into n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 divided by 6n square plus 3 into n minus 1 divided by 2n. Now we open and split the terms, so this is equals to 3 limit n tends to infinity, here 9. Now n minus 1 into 2n minus 1, so n into 2n becomes 2n square. Now minus 1 into n becomes minus n, and minus 1 into 2n becomes minus 2n. So minus n minus 2n becomes minus 3n, and minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1 whole divided by 6n square plus this becomes 3n minus 3 divided by 2n. Now we split the terms, so 3 limit n tends to infinity 9, now 2n square divided by 6n square minus 3n divided by 6n square plus 1 divided by 6n square plus 3n divided by 2n minus 3 divided by 2n. Now here if we see n square cancel each other, this becomes n, Here also n and n cancel each other, so this is equals to 3. Limit n tends to infinity 9 bracket of 2 by 6 minus 3 by 6n plus 1 by 6n square, okay, bracket closed, plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2n. Now here our n tends to infinity, so 1 by n or 1 by n square tends to 0, okay, so this is equals to 3. Now bracket of 9 into 2 by 6 minus 9 into 0 plus 9 into 0 plus 3 by 2 minus 0, okay, so this is equals to, now 2 into 3 6, 3 into 3 9, okay, so this is equals to 3 into 3 minus 0 plus 0 0 plus 3 by 2. So this is equals to, if we take LCM, this becomes 3 into 9 by 2, or this is equals to 27 by 2. So the value of integration is 27 by 2. This is our answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।